In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send form submissions to Slack using Jotform tables in just 5 minutes. This integration is a fantastic way to keep your team updated effortlessly whenever a new form is submitted. Let's dive right into how you can set this up. First, head over to Jotform's website by typing jotform.com into your browser's address bar. On the sign-in page, you'll notice that you have 3 different options to log in. You can use your Google account, sign in with Microsoft, or simply enter your email address and password if you have a direct Jotform account. Choose the option that best suits your preference and let's get started. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the specific form you wish to connect with Slack. This is the form where your submissions will be monitored and sent to Slack. Navigate to Jotform's Form Builder. This is the tool where you can view and edit your forms. As you open the form, you might want to double check that it's the one you intend to link with Slack to avoid any mix-ups later on. Now click on the form to select it and proceed by clicking the Edit Form option. This will take you to the settings page for the form, which is a crucial part of setting up this integration. Once you're there, look to the left panel and find the tab labeled Settings. Navigate there, and then within the settings you'll find an option called Integrations. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the Integrations section, you'll see a search bar where you can search for different integrations. Type Slack into the search bar and you'll see Slack appear as an option. Clicking on it will initiate the process to link your form with your Slack account. You'll now need to connect your Slack account to Jotform. Click on the Authenticate button. If you've used Slack with Jotform before, a drop down with your Slack accounts might appear. Simply select the appropriate account from there. If it's a new connection, follow the prompts to log in and authorize Jotform's access to your Slack account. With your Slack account authenticated, you will need to decide what action should occur when a form submission is made. You have the flexibility to choose whether you'd like to send a message to a specific public or private Slack channel, or you might opt for a direct chat message to an individual or group. Once you've settled on your actions, specify the details. This includes selecting the exact Slack channel or the recipient's name alongside crafting the content of the message that will be sent. Now the magic is ready to happen. Every time your form receives a new submission, a message will automatically be sent to your designated Slack channel. This seamless integration ensures that your team stays informed instantly, without any manual effort on your part. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep everyone in the loop with Slack notifications based on your Jotform submissions. This should streamline your processes and improve team communication in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this integration tutorial helpful.